Hey guys, Javen here. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you about the 2-block haircut and what to tell your barber if you want to get something like this. So a 2-block haircut is basically a variation of an undercut, and as you can see here, it's kind of like a fishbowl kind of look. So my length here, all the way to the back, all the way here too as well. They're all pretty much the same length, and the sides are short all the way to like the top here. Same as this side. And the back, it is faded like this. So to really achieve this look, first you guys have to grow out your hair as long as possible. Like I would say 11 to 12 inches, not inches, cm. Got my ruler. So basically your top of your crown here, I grew it out to at least, if you can see, let's see, cm, okay. I don't know if you guys can see, but I pretty much grew out to this length, this much. So over here it's like 10, 11 cm, and on the sides here too, it's pretty long as you can see. If your top is not this long, this look will not look good, so you really have to grow it as long as possible, and then you just shave the sides and back. And also for a 2-block haircut like this, you want your bangs to be as long as possible as well. For my bangs, I left it before I got my haircut. It was close to my nose here, but then I just told the barber to trim it right around my eyebrow. So I can see my bangs are about, let's see, like around 10 cm if you can tell. And like all my other hair videos, I'm just gonna give you a quick 360 view once again. This is the front view right here, top view, right view, back view, and left view. And also I want to input some photos over here right now that I usually show my barber so that they get an idea of how to cut my hair. So yeah guys, this is a 2-block haircut. I have no complaints of this hairstyle. If you really like Korean culture or Chinese culture, this haircut might be good for you, and I really encourage everyone to try it out at least once in their life, because this is something that is getting more and more trendy, and I hope you guys will like it as well. Not only this, once you get this kind of haircut, you don't really need to put much work into your hair before going out. Like my haircut you see here, I did not put anything in my hair. It was just right out of the shower. I just air dried for 30 minutes, and then this is the finished product. No product whatsoever. I guess the only downside to this haircut is people might call you mushroom head or like fishbowl head or something. Like people have called me mushroom head a few times because of just the look of the hair, like that, and then poop. So other than that, I really like this haircut. So yeah guys, to summarize, what you want to tell your barber is to shave your side hair super short. I mean, however short you want. For me, I just left it like this length. And then I say like short sides, and the bottom of the back is short. And then everywhere else I say to leave it long and just trim it. And the top here, I ask them to use thinning shears. Those scissors are basically scissors that has a lot of edges like this. So when they go like this and cut it, they don't actually cut off the length of the hair. It just thins out the hair to make it more fluffy and bouncy. Yeah, I told them to use that for the top and my bangs. But over the side here and the side over here, they basically use scissors to cut it so it's like even. And the back here, they shave, and then everywhere else they just fade it a little bit. So yeah guys, this is how you get the 2-block haircut. Once again, I'll put some pictures here so you guys can show your barber how to do it. So yeah guys, if you guys found this video informative or helpful, let me know in the comments below, and chat back next time. Showing off some of my juggling tricks.